We got our tickets. We're ready to go. We've got the little sleighs over here. Buy now, slay later. Like pay later. It's the beach house. It's where they have all of the merch. I think it's funny that they sell bathing suits here. How many people do you think show up to Blizzard Beach without a bathing suit on?
Probably several who forgot to bring it.
Yeah, I guess. Caution, low-flying gator. Uh-oh. There better not be. Of course. There's a blizzard going on. This is silly. That little snowman's wearing Mickey ears.
Excuse me.
This is funny. Are you looking at this family-sized pizza?
No, well, it's exclusively through mobile order.
Yeah, well, I can order it.
Yeah, I know, but that's a thing that means that they don't want people that are ordering for big families to wait in line to get
No,
the
they
food.
don't.
So you have to mobile order.
Here's Lotta Wada Lodge. It's the quick service location. It's probably where I'll get lunch. They have some pretty unique options. We're in Beach House now. This is super cute. They have it in orange too. Orange and gold, and then they have the Typhoon Lagoon merch. Pretty nice. There's more Typhoon Lagoon merch. I was shipwrecked. I wonder where the Blizzard Beach merch is. Do you see Blizzard Beach merch? Or just Typhoon? As you saw, we were just in Beach House and I bought this waterproof phone thing so I could record on water slides. So when we're done with lunch, this is the plan. But we're sitting at Lotta Wada Lodge now waiting for our mobile order. Hopefully it's pretty soon. We mobile ordered our food so we could skip the line, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. I think that this is one of the coolest quick service locations at Disney. They actually have different food than the rest. It's not just your typical like chicken tenders and burger. I think my phone is overheating because it keeps stopping recording, but this is what their menu looks like. And then they have cool drinks too, and then as you can see they serve alcohol, so you can really get anything. There's healthy food. They also have vegan and plant-based options. And everything looks very good. I'm excited to eat. We're still sitting here waiting for our food. It's been 20 minutes now, but it looks like it's gonna rain. The weather app says it's gonna rain. I hope we can go on some water slides. We finally got our food and it honestly took forever, but I got the roasted chicken bowl with white rice and stir-fry veggies. And then my boyfriend got chicken tenders and fries. And then there's this frozen blue raspberry slushy lemonade thing. And then I just got a thing of Smart Water. I'm so ready for this. It took so long. It's 3:15 now, so it took 30 minutes for us to get this after pressing on here, and we mobile ordered an hour early. So keep that in mind if you come to Blizzard Beach. Yeah, no, this chicken's pretty good. It's surprisingly flavorful. I wasn't expecting it to be at all. This is good. Can I try your session? Also very good. Because this whole park is themed like you're going skiing, there's a ski lift that takes you up the hill, and then there's a bunch of water slides up there. So we are waiting in line right now for the ski lift. Ah! Oh my God, it's Mickey Mouse. We just went down the slide and it was so fast and scary. but it was fun. Waiting for Scott to come down now. Been waiting for a while and he's still not down here. Let's see where he is.
Did you have reset? Yeah.
Oh, there was a big splash. That's him. This is so much better than the lazy river at our resort. We're about to leave Blizzard Beach, but I tragically broke my nail in the lazy river. How do you even do that? Speaking of which, I never showed my new manicure. You can kind of see the broken nail better here, but last week I got little Mickeys put on and did bright orange, and yeah, I'm sure you've seen this in me pointing, but this is what it looks like. So when we left Blizzard Beach, we went to All Star Movies to say hi to one of my friends who works at the quick service there. If you're ever at All Star, go say hi to Megan, I guess. But when I was in the bathroom, my boyfriend went into the merch store to wait for me. And when I came out, he said, there are 3 Donald Duck mugs, you have to go look at them. And obviously we all know here by now, I hope, that I love Donald Duck. So I, of course, had to go get this mug. It's so cute. I think it looks super collegiate and it says best personality, which obviously Donald Duck has, and I would say that's probably my best feature as well. But yeah, that's my Donald Duck mug that I bought today at All Star Movies. I classically forgot to end our vlog from Blizzard Beach. When we got home that night, we watched Monsters at Work, and we got Five Guys for dinner, and then we passed out because we were exhausted and had to be up early to go to Magic Kingdom. Thank you so much for watching this video. We had so much fun at the water park.